Welcome to Math World! Today, I'm going to open my new toy of Pop Pop Hair Surprise! Ta-da! She's so cute! And she has a little blue bow. And she has pink hair and pink skin, but it's a lighter color than her hair is a darker color. And she's a brush, but not ordinary brush. It's just a Pop Pop Hair Surprise. So there's a little surprise in there that is a little hairband. But it's also a pencil holder too. So you can put it on top, not on the bottom to draw. You can just put it on the top of your pencil, not the bottom that you can draw. So now let's open it, but there's tape, but not ordinary tape. I need scissors. My daddy's gonna get scissors so I can open my new toy. But don't use scissors without a pair of length. But no cutting this little wire because it's gonna hold it. Daddy, don't cut the wire. That's this one because it's holding it. Yeah. So it tells you this instructions tell you which character you got. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot to collect. Ooh. Okay, so I need to figure out how to open these instructions every day. Oh, there it is. Okay. I got Flurry and her sister is Flinky. Oh, Flinky. Okay. She's fire. This is who I got. The pink girl. This is her sister. So I hope I get the little hamster that is a we are twins. Bad hairs. She's a bad hairs. Okay, now what's this? What's this? Whoa! I didn't know there was two of these instructions. Or white. That's okay, but let's open this beauty. But first, I need to know where I open. I don't know. Oh, this is so cute. So here's it. The little surprise. Oh, here's the mini one. Ooh, what do we got here? Here's a little holder. Pop-up surprise hair. I need scissors for this little bag, but I don't know which roll I'm gonna get, and also little hairband. Daddy, can you get the scissors, please? I don't know how to open this.
I'll try.
My daddy's gonna open the little surprise. What's the little surprise? Oh. What? Oh, these are the accessories that you get. Ah, I see now. Ooh, that's a lot. Ooh, 2 mics. I can see 2 mics that are clips. To make clips. So So this is fabric. You cannot open it yet because you can twist this, and then there's a spray bottle, and you need to fill it with water. See? Water. So I need to put this with water. So let's go. I'll get some water. Spray it with water, but be careful. Don't do this at home. But sometimes you need paper so you cannot make it wet all over your table.
Don't hold it.
Okay. It will pop. Okay. I need to be careful. It will open for real, but I need to wait.
Spray.
Why is it not working?
Spray more.
Oops, I put it on the table. Oops, it fell down.
Fine. I have to fix this.
I need some more water.
No, spray.
Like this? No. Why is it not opening? Oh, I can see the little face. But why is it not opening? It should pop. How much water do we need? Are you kidding me? I don't know if it's gonna pop or not. Pop! Pop!
Is it just gonna pop by itself?
I don't know. Yeah, it will.
Wait.
Why is it not popping? It popped! It popped! That's so terrible! Okay. Oh, there. Was unravel the hair! It's so cute! Let's open it. Oh, that's so cute! A little llama! Whoa, that's so cute! So, there's a little... Oh, you can... There's also glasses you can move up and down! That's so cute. I never see this before in my vlogs. So, you can also put it back. Wait. This is too hard to close it back. So, to close it back like that. Oh, yeah. How do you close this thing? Oh. Wait, what? You can remove the glasses! That's so cute. Okay. You can also put it back, but it's not too easy. There. Now, how do I put it back in there? Ow. Oh my god, I don't know how to put it. Oh. Okay. And, oh, because I'm not covering that. Oh. Because of the hair, I see now. So,
Oh, what are we gonna do?
now we're going to close it back up. But I don't know how. Daddy, can you please help me? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Heart.